Definitely the day of Corvettes up here, guys. We got a C8 Corvette sitting out front. This is an Amplify Orange, so not the new quote-unquote Sebring, but this one, man, when I pulled in, this thing caught my eye. This is a C6 ZR1, yellow with chrome wheels, and somehow that looks absolutely fantastic. That's exactly, I would leave chrome on this. That looks fantastic. And of course, it's all cleaned up, looking purty. Blackout put some ceramic coating on it. So yeah, day of the Corvettes here, because my C701's in the back. We're going to be getting some windshield protection on that. I want to show you what that's all about. But ultimately, yeah, this is really the generation that started it for me. This is where I really felt like the Corvette changed. It went from being, you know, your typical old guy's car. I'm sorry for anybody out there that's out of fence, but that's ultimately what it was. When the C6 came out, this just was more of a sports car. Just more, let's say supercar. Screw it. Let's say supercar. That thing's gorgeous. I love it. Obviously, I'm a little bit biased to ZR1s, but that thing is fantastic. And then we got that. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Thanks for pressing play. Today, we are at Blackout Tinting. We're going to be getting some things done on the C7 ZR1. And I wanted to introduce you to something kind of special. Yeah, we got another C8 Corvette back on the channel, but it's not exactly what you think. Let's talk about it. All right, guys, this is it. This is the C8 Corvette Stingray that is going to be on the channel from time to time because this is a giveaway. You heard me right. This is a giveaway car. I am working with the local state police to give this car away. So what we're going to be doing is actually selling some tickets to give this car away. You're going to be seeing a lot of it on the channel because I'm going to be doing a bunch of mods to it. This thing's going to get modded out, and then one of you lucky guys is going to win it. So it's already here, obviously, at Blackout Tinting, because one of the first things we're doing with it, you guessed it, PPF. Got some PPF on the front bumper already. That's why the badge is missing. That will be put back. Then we're going to be doing all kinds of mods with it. Now, you might be asking yourselves, what is this thing, Justin? Well, let's take a look closer, under the hood, so to speak. Oh, God. Just opening up the door, it's just the waft of brand new Corvette comes out. So, guys, this is a C8 Corvette Stingray in torch red with the carbon flash painted nacelles. It is, of course, a convertible Z51 with the new Z51 wing because, like I said, it's a 25. It does have the carbon flash painted wheels here with the bright red calipers, and it is a 2LT interior with the stealth package, which in my opinion you got to get that. It also does have a front end lift, and of course it comes with your cooled and heated seats and the heated steering wheel, all the good stuff. But what really is awesome about this car is we got it from Ciocca. The same salesman I tell you guys to go to, Amoni up at Ciocca, yeah, he hooked us up with this car. So this is a true through and through Ciocca mobile, and you can win it. Of course, this whole thing is going to be called Shop with a Cop, guys. So this is going to be a giveaway car, like I said. All of the details will be in the description down below. If you are interested in winning this thing is brand new. Let's check it out. Actually, I see how many miles are actually on this thing. 24 miles. 24 miles, guys. So this thing is brand new, and it's not going to be something that's getting driven all over the place. When you go to win it, it will have very, 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 very low miles on it because you're winning a brand new car. Like I said, there's PPF on it already. We're going to be doing some parts here and there. Really tasteful mods, nothing over the top. So stay tuned for that. In the meantime, get entered to win this baby. There she is, guys, looking fan-freaking-tastic. Gotta love the C7 ZR1. Such a freaking menacing beast. But on that topic, check this guy out. Got a really cool colored Huracan sitting over here, and I don't think that's a wrap. That appears to be paint, boys. That is a really interesting color, very turquoise. What an interesting car. But anyway, guys, we're here for a couple different things. First off, if you didn't see the previous video, I did in fact get a new steering wheel and shift boot / knob on the ZR1. So we're here to get those particular products ceramic coated because yes, I am absolutely obsessed with keeping this stuff ceramic coated. But look at this. I mean, look at that car. Look at the shine on this thing. And remember that this car is 6 years old with 12,000 miles on it, and it still looks that good. It's because of the ceramic coating and the PPF. That's why we do what we do. And we're also here to get what is effectively PPF for the windshield. You guys saw that on my previous video with the Ram TRX. It is nice to be able to get that windshield protection just like you do with the paint. It makes it so if a rock ever flew up and hits the window, it doesn't necessarily crack it and require replacement. Instead, we save the chips, we save some cracks, and it helps protect it. Now, of course, that comes with some ceramic coating on top of it as well to make it so I don't even have to use my windshield wipers if it rains. Now, on that note, I don't usually take the car out when it's raining, but every now and then, you know, stuff happens and you get stuck in it. Is that clay bar or steel wool? Oh, okay. Scrub pad, just getting it clean. Before the windshield gets done, we're actually going to have this vinyl put on the back here from c7performance.com. I've done a couple different mods from him. He actually is the guy who provides this vinyl, and I'm not going to show you what it is just yet, but it's actually the same guy who built and shipped me the carbon fiber shift knob. Yeah, really good dude to work with. He has a lot of really cool like custom vinyl stuff, and I saw this one and I thought I have to do it. So I'm gonna actually film Jimmy installing a little bit of it, but that's it right there. And there it is, guys. Check that out. That was freaking cool. So, from a distance, it's just matte black on gloss black. Looks really good. Definitely cool looking. So again, if you wanted to grab one of these, check out C7 Performance. Kind of fills in that license plate area pretty nicely. I'll put a link in the description down below. But yeah, they've been real easy to work with, guys, and they have some really awesome carbon fiber products as well. So check them out. Oh, John, it would not have even been funny if it wasn't for your reaction.
I almost took off a splitter, dude. That's not what you did.
Aaron, this installs like XPEL PPF, right?
Yeah, it's the closest windshield film to it.
Yeah. Still a little different though.
But it's definitely still more rigid than the same type of film.
All right. Well, it's just about done. When it's all said and done, guys, you won't even be able to tell it's been done, but it will protect that windshield. And yeah, check out Blackout Tinting. They do windshields, PPF on the car, ceramic coatings, window tint, all that stuff. But like, look at that. You're literally not going to be able to tell it's there. I did just recently get this done on my TRX as well, guys, and love it. Literally cannot tell it's there. So really good stuff. Man, that's nice. That's a ZR1 beside a ZR1. Huh. Huh. How about that? Well, isn't that interesting? C7 ZR1, C6 ZR1. Pretty cool. All right, guys, so there it is. Windshield protection is done, and as you can see, you can't even tell. So it is now protected. I'm not gonna have to worry about any kind of rocks breaking it for the most part. Obviously, if something comes flying at it at 1,000,000 miles an hour, it's gonna, it's gonna do what glass does, and glass breaks. Anyway, it is now protected. We did get the interior ceramic coated, which I'll show you in a second, but honestly it doesn't look any different, and I missed the opportunity of filming him actually ceramic coating the steering wheel, shift knob, and shift boot. But it is done, fear not. So got that done. The windshield is now protected, and then of course we got the C7 Performance American flag on the back, which I think looks really cool. Kind of helps dress up the back end a little bit. But that's it. So big thanks to the guys here at Blackout Tinting, of course. Check them out. I'll put their link down below if you need any work done. Always the place of choice here. So smash the thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't yet. And as always, stay obsessed.